So you got a new 3D printer, but it's a machine that takes a lot of care and feeding, especially keeping all of those pesky little rails greased so it doesn't seize up. And the machine manufacturers just send along this little tube of mystery lubricant that is not easy to apply. You can't get into the hard to reach places with it. And if they're really nice to you and you ever need extra, well, you can go and get a ketchup packet from them. And this is really the issue with all of these solutions. You can get a spray can, but then you're constantly ruining your print bed trying to keep from getting oil everywhere. And it's not that much different with a bottle where you can try to carefully drip it onto the rail and then again, hope that you don't drip onto your bed. And the grease tubes themselves just aren't useful and grease isn't great anyway. So there's gotta be a better way to do this. So at Slant 3D, we work with a lot of 3D printers and we're constantly looking for more efficient ways to operate them, which lets us create a lot of interesting solutions that a lot of people don't get to participate in. But today we do get to make one of those products, a product that anybody can get a hold of and will help you with your own 3D printers. So let me introduce you to the oil stick. So let's take a look at your general 3D printer. It is important to lubricate it and keep it maintained so that it can get as much life out of it as you possibly can and get your money's worth out of it. Most of the time, people will use the standard grease that is sent along. But the issue with grease is that even though it's easy to put on, you'll end up with accumulation, and any grease that is left over gets dust and clumps up around your bearings and everywhere else on the machine. So it doesn't really spread evenly, and it can lead to downstream problems that will ruin your printer or ruin your prints. So the grease just isn't very handy, and it's not easy to get a hold of. A lot of people will go to the oil bottle, and the oil bottle is also fine, but it's just a lot of work because you have to very carefully try to run along these rails. You can't put too much on, you can't put on too little, and if you squeeze, you might get a drip that falls onto your print bed and ruins your print bed. In all fairness, the way to clean the print bed is just to use Dawn soap and some warm water, but you don't always really know if you got the bed perfectly clean, so it's better to just avoid this. Can we all agree on that? And then I don't even want to talk about the spray bottles. Not only are they a giant mess, but they actually are not even a good type of oil for this because they don't have enough permanence on your rails to keep them lubricated for a long period of time. So we wanted to try to solve this problem because we've got a lot of machines here. So we needed something that was as easy to spread as grease, as reliable as oil, and obviously didn't make a giant mess. So we came up and created the oil stick. The oil stick uses a Teflon-infused machine oil. So it's fairly low viscosity, but still smooth enough that it will spread evenly over the rail wherever it happens to be without glooping up the way things like grease do. In order to allow it to spread even more evenly and never drip, we used a very ancient technology, a paintbrush. The bristles hold the perfect amount of oil. So all you do is just twist to load them up, and now it doesn't drip at all, and then you can dispense it directly onto the rail as you're going by, and then just always reload it whenever you need a little bit more oil on there. Now you don't have the drip, and you know that all the oil is where it needs to be without having to precisely squeeze a bottle as you go by. The brush and the oil itself make sure that it's able to spread evenly, but since it's Teflon infused, even if the machine head comes along and presses all of the oil off, you still have that Teflon film that will remain and make sure that everything continues to move buttery smooth, even if the oil is pushed to the side or you put an excessive amount on there. And you know what? You can even leave the cap off if you want to, because with the bristles, you know that it's never gonna drip off to the side on any one of your surfaces because they will hold back any liquids inside of there. Plus the twist mechanism makes sure that, again, you only have the amount that you need and nothing more ever coming out of the dispenser, unlike some types of oil bottles out there. And have we talked about geared features? No oil bottle or even spray bottle really gets into all the nuggets of all these areas and certainly don't help to clear out any debris or goo inside of there. Since you have the brush feature, you can actually get into the teeth of rails and lead screws and rack and pinion gears and all types of other mechanisms that you otherwise would have to hope that the oil drips into, as opposed to actually forcing it in and distributing it around the whole mechanism. So you get a way more control and way more brushing and cleaning action on these types of features than you would get with any other sort of dispenser. And this really demonstrates that this is not just for 3D printers. You can use it on anything. Grease the bearings inside of any of your machine tools. Loosen up a nut or a bearing in something that you're working on. It is an easy way to keep all of your machinery up to snuff around the home, the shop, the office, wherever you happen to be, to where you need a little bit of lubrication in a really clean, easy package that is about the size of a Sharpie. And ultimately, this is what Oil Stick does, is it just saves you a tremendous amount of time and stress and effort. Every other solution requires that you be careful or take a bunch of time or pay attention as opposed to just putting oil on the thing that needs it so it doesn't seize up. This is tremendously important to us in our operation, where we cannot waste a single second greasing an extra rail, because it makes people's lives miserable and then the job might not get done well enough. This makes sure the job is done well every time and is really easy to use so that your machinery is maintained and kept going for as long as it can possibly go. Because if a bearing starts to hang just a little bit, you go from having a $500 piece of equipment that can be making you money to having a device that is bricked because it doesn't make good enough quality equipment. So we have to have solutions that are strong and reliable. The oil stick is available for sale right now over at oilstick.shop, and you can get free shipping on it if you're a member of Tangled Filament. Tangled Filament is our $10 filament brand if you want to get some of those while you're checking out.
We have packs of 3 and 9.
So you can get a hold of a set of them and just throw them around the shop the way you would throw around a Sharpie, so that they're just easily and conveniently there, so that if something ever needs some oil, you can get it on there and know that it's reliable, and also know that it's not leaking in your pocket. And the best part is this stick, this full stick, has enough oil to keep someone's home printer active and operational for more than a year. So you get a screaming deal that keeps your machine operational to where you can spend a couple bucks and then you're able to keep something worth hundreds of dollars operating at its best performance possible. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope that this makes your printing just a little bit easier. Have a great day, everybody.